Let me know in the chat. Okay. So hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody can hear me and see me. Hi Jumana, hi Uncharted, Sonu, Madhavi, Suhas, welcome man. Sonu, Kirito, Misha, so nice to see all of you here. And like Suhas has mentioned, guys, this is the 100th video of this channel. This is a special day for all of us, special time. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the 100 videos which have come out from this channel. I'm sure it would have helped you reach your goal. And we will continue to support you. And you guys also do support us by sharing it with your friends and family and relatives who are preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Okay. Hi Felix, welcome man. So guys, shall we get started with Binomial Theorem Problem Solving? I hope you guys enjoyed and watched the session yesterday. I spoke about the important concepts of binomial theorem. I gave you only the crux, the most important set of formulas which you are supposed to know as a JEE Main aspirant. Okay. So now that you guys are all aware of it, I'm going to take you to the next level. I'm going to expose you to questions and we will see how to solve them together. Okay. So shall we get started guys? Hi Salil Dev, welcome man. So nice to see all of you here. Amazing. Okay, so let's move forward. And yes, we will have a look at the greatest term. You're absolutely right, Satyam. So I'm going to start off with that. I will start off with the greatest term, how to find it out. And then we will go to questions. Okay. But before that, guys, for all the newcomers, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, mentoring more than 10,000 amazing students like all of you. And some of my students have gone to get great ranks. So All India ranks 38, All India ranks 41 last year were mentored by me and currently they are in IIT Delhi. And I'm sure you guys also have such plans. You want to get into a good IIT, good college, get better at science and aptitude. So that is why you guys are here, and guys, you are at the right place. We do help you to get better, reach your goal in a more efficient manner. To talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and like you guys, I also prepared for many exams, KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and so on, and I cleared all of them. JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So that is my background. Now let's move forward. So Salil Dev lives in NIT it seems. Okay, great. So guys, before we start, please do like, give it a share, give it a subscribe. Please do that if you haven't done it already, because guys, as I say always, this is a new channel and it would definitely help if you guys can support us by spreading the word. Once we have a big family, we can compete within ourselves and get better each and every day. Okay. So try to do that, and with that, let's get started with the last topic that was left out in the last session. So yesterday we stopped here. I wanted to talk about the numerically greatest term. So guys, let us try to have a look at what this is all about. So are you all ready? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? If you're all excited and ready for this, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button quickly, everybody. Okay. Very, very, very good. Brilliant, brilliant guys. Amazing. Suhani, try to watch the previous lecture. That will also be helpful. If you can follow, you can attend this one. Okay. So guys, let me start with this. This is an amazing topic, and like I said, it is important for JEE Advanced. But anyway, I'll give you guys some idea. So please understand, when I say numerically greatest term, I am referring about magnitude. I do not care about the sign. So I don't worry whether it is plus or minus. So that is why you see modulus here. First point, are you all clear? When I say numerically greatest term, I am talking about the magnitude. I don't care about the sign. Okay. Now when I say greatest term, it is not greatest coefficient. So come out of that. Because some of you might be thinking, sir, we did this already. It is the middle term, no? But guys, the middle term is for the greatest binomial coefficient. So binomial coefficient we are not talking here. We are talking about the entire term along with A and B. Got it? So it is not just binomial coefficient, it is along with A and B which are present inside. Got it? So that is why this is different. So let us say that our r plus 1th term, let us say our r plus 1th term is the greatest term. Then what do I infer from that? What do I understand? So when I say that is the greatest term, that means it is going to be greater than the term before that, and it is going to be greater than the term after that. Don't you all agree? Don't you all agree? Everybody? So if I say r plus 1th term is the greatest term, it will be greater than the previous term and greater than the next term. That's it. That's it. Over. But you might ask me next question. But sir, you are just comparing 3 terms and you are saying that this term is greatest. But how do we know for the entire binomial expansion? But guys, for that also I have an answer. Don't you all agree your binomial expansion, it peaks in the middle and then comes down? You always see any binomial expansion, it starts from a low value, goes high and then comes down. Don't you all agree? So if I take care of this, it is automatically going to be the greatest term. That's it. So that is the logic behind this formula, this condition which I have given you. I hope you guys have got it. This is the way to do it. Got it? So if you solve this inequality, you will get what is the range of values of r. Now that will give you what is the greatest term. Numerically greatest term. Understood? So this is the lengthier way of doing it. But if you guys want shortcut, which I am sure many of you like, then the shortcut formula is given over here. Please note it down. This formula comes from simplifying this. Okay? So please note it down and then we will move forward. Yes, I have an example right after this slide. So please wait for it. For now, take down this formula because this is very handy, and understand why and when this formula is applied. This formula is applied for finding the greatest term numerically in this expansion. So you should know all that. What formula corresponds to, you should know, because otherwise you will not know where to apply it and when to apply it and how to apply it. Okay, so you should know the background and then learn the formula. Got it? Very good guys. Are you all clear? So Banu, what I did was, Banu, I assumed TR plus 1 is the greatest term. So now I have to find R. Isn't that correct? Because if I find R, my job is done. I know what is my middle term. So for finding R only, I am doing this, Banu. I am saying that TR plus 1 magnitude is greater than TR, that is the previous term. And it is also greater than the next term. So that means the term is greater than the next one and the previous one. So this should be the numerically highest term. That is the logic which I am applying over here. So Matthew, I'll give you a small example. If you look at Pascal's triangle, Matthew, isn't it? If you look at Pascal's triangle, it looks like this. You see, binomial coefficients always have a trend of going from low to high and then coming down. Isn't that correct? Yeah. So that is the trend of binomial coefficient. So when you have the binomial terms also, that also follows a similar trend. Even if you talk about terms, it will follow a similar trend, but it need not correctly occur at the middle. The maximum need not correctly occur at the middle. So that is why I am saying, to find the middlemost one, what you have to do is, to find the greatest term numerically, what you have to do is, you have to say that TR plus 1 is greater than equal to TR, less than, this is also greater than equal to TR plus 2. What does this mean? This means our R plus 1th term is greater than R plus 2th term. And your R plus 1th term is again greater than TRth term. So it is going to be the greatest of all. Are you guys clear with it? The second expression, it has come from simplifying this. Matthew, I just gave it as a formula because that will be quicker for you to solve. So how do you do it, Matthew? TR you can expand now. What is TR? TR is NCR minus 1 into A power N minus R minus 1 into B power R minus 1, and then you put modulus and then you expand this. That is how you get this formula. Understood, Matthew? So I don't want to get into the derivation, man. It is not necessary. Why do you want to waste time on that? Rather, remember this expression. That will help you move faster. Okay? Are you guys clear about it? Yes. I'm going to do an example question. Matthew, I hope you are able to follow. So you just have to expand TR for this expansion. As simple as that. Okay? Now let's try to look at an example, and that will make everything clear for you guys. Please do it. Let me see how many of you are able to get it correctly. Let me see how many of you are able to get it correctly. Please do it, guys. So it is not necessary that the term with the highest binomial coefficient is the greatest term. No. It is not necessary. The term with the highest binomial coefficient need not be the greatest term. Nope. So that is why we are looking at this topic. So this is the numerically greatest term. So we look at only the magnitude. I explained to you guys the methodology. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Very good, Mohammed. That is good, but you can improve. Try to work on your mistakes, get better at it. Next week, Menti quiz, try to score about 10. Okay? So Science Priya is saying C. What about others? What about others? Nikhil Patidar, are you able to understand? Mohammed Safi, welcome, man. So nice to see you here. Uncharted is also saying C. Saurav Jha is saying C. Piano with Aditi is also saying C. So guys, are you all sure it is option C? So can I lock it? Everybody? Very good guys. Brilliant. And that is the right answer, guys. C is correct. C is absolutely right. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So first of all, what will I do? I have to write TR plus 1 is going to be greater than modulus of TR. It's going to be again greater than modulus of TR plus 2. But this is a very lengthy approach. I don't want to do that. I'm going to use the shortcut which was given to you earlier. What is that? N plus 1 by 1 plus mod of A by B minus 1 is less than equal to R is less than equal to N plus 1 by 1 plus mod of A by B. Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that? So what is N? Just plug in the value. N is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then you'll have 1 plus 3 by minus 2x. So A by B is nothing but 3 by minus 2x. And what is x? X is equal to half. So if I put x as half, A by B is equal to 3 by 1. Don't you all agree? Don't you all agree? Yes? Everybody clear with it? Why equal to sign? Because there can be two greatest terms also. What if they both are equal? That possibility is also there, na? Satyam. So that is why we put equality also. Because in this question also you will see that there are actually two numerically greatest terms. I will show it to you in a few more seconds. Please wait for it. So this will be what? 1 plus 3 greater than or equal to R less than or equal to what is this? 8 by 1 plus 3 minus 1, right? That's a minus 1 over here. So what is the value? Can I say R is greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2? Are you guys clear with it? So can I say R is equal to 1 as well as 2? So can I say then T2 and T3 both are the greatest terms numerically? Can you check it whether T2 and T3 are equal? Can you guys do that? Can you guys do that and check whether T2 and T3 in this expansion, are they equal numerically? Don't worry about the sign. Plus or minus, don't care about it. But numerically, are they equal? Did you understand now? Misha Bharti? Are you guys clear with it? Uncharted. How T3? Because when R is 2, T is 3, na? When R is 2, it is the third term. Because TR plus 1 is the general term, na, Aditi. So when R is 1, it is T1 plus 1, which is T2. When R is 2, it will be T2 plus 1, which is T3. Did you understand it, guys? Everybody? Uncharted? Everybody clear with it? Suhas? Nikhil? Very good, very good. Madhavi has verified also, and she has found out that T2 and T3 are numerically equal and they are the greatest terms. This is the way you do it. I hope you guys are all clear. Very important topic and you guys learned it so fast. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay. So yeah, with that, let us proceed to the next one. So guys, before we go to the questions now, before we go to the questions and see the applications of binomial theorem, I want you guys to be understanding what Vedantu has got to offer you guys, because whatever we are doing here is just something in 1 hour. We are trying to do our best, help you guys reach your target, and YouTube is a platform where it is open to everybody. But if you want a specialized course wherein you are going to be in a class of very highly motivated students with highly experienced teachers with more than 5 years of experience teaching toppers, and you have amazing crash course content as well as 5,000 plus hours of live online teaching, then you have to be in the pro subscription. So the pro subscription is available at a discounted price. Isn't that amazing? Because you guys are all part of the JEE Enthuse family, you get a 20% off if you are studying for the 2022 exam. So this is the per day price. The per day price is incomparable. It is not going to be, comparable to anything. It is a disruption, I would say, because the per day prices are almost as good as nothing, because this is too low for any coaching industry for IIT JEE. I'm sure you guys must be aware of it. Let's move forward. So what are you guys waiting for? If you're all excited to learn at Vedantu with such amazing teachers who have gone through the process themselves, then please do check out the link which I will share now. I have shared it already in the chat, and you can use this coupon code SHJPRO, which stands for Shimon Joseph Pro Subscription. Okay? So shall we move ahead? Valmik, take care, man. So Valmik here says that you're suffering from COVID. I hope you get better soon. We will keep you in mind, man. Valmik, take care. Hi Sudhakar, welcome. Hi Misha. How to cover backlogs? That is a very common question which many students ask. So guys, right now I would suggest you to focus on what is being taught. So when you get the time period for revision, so Satyam, we do have something called as revision in Vedantu. So when you complete 11th portion, we have a revision period wherein everything in 11th will be redone in a very brief manner. So that can help you a lot. So it can be done still. Okay. So yeah, let's get started, people. Now coming to 1 plus exponent. So when you have 1 plus exponent, guys, do you all agree this expansion is nothing but 1 plus nx plus nc2x square all the way up to ncn exponent. How many of you agree with me on this? Are you guys clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? Yes? Everybody knows this? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Amazing, guys, amazing. So now if I subtract 1 from here, that means this 1 will go off. So if this 1 goes off, do you see that it is divisible by x? Because I can take 1x common from here. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Yes? As simple as that. As simple as that. And you know what? I have examples for this also. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I'm going to help you guys understand each and every bit of binomial theorem so that you can tackle any good question on your own. Okay. So now let's remove this. Okay, now what if I subtract nx also? So if I subtract nx also, then this term will also go off. Can you see that now x square is common in everything? Because I can take x square common. So that will leave me with nc2 plus nc3 into x plus nc4 into x square all the way up to ncn x power n minus 2. Are you guys clear with that? Everybody? Are you guys clear with that? All of you? Done? So this is how we do it. I hope you guys are all fine. Yep. Simple, na? So that is a very good result. Please make sure you guys are noting it down, because sometimes you do get questions based on divisibility. So when you get questions based on divisibility, you have to employ this method. Very true, Suhas. You are absolutely right. That's correct, Suhas. You are right. Good job. Okay, so shall we move forward? Yes? Let us go ahead, guys. Please try to solve this question. Let me see how many of you are able to get this question correct. Very good, Madhavi. Very good, Saurav. Brilliant job. So guys, I'm going to give you just 30 seconds time for this. Derivation is not needed. Whatever I did is the derivation, man. I just showed it to you, right? Mohammed. Valmik says 6. 6 is not there in the options. Valmik, come on. Valmik says 7. Yes, Valmik. Now you are absolutely right. Good job. Good job. Yes, yes, yes. No problem. Sonu is right. Diya is right. And then we have Kirito, Banu Prakash, Saurav Jha, Misha Bharti. And then we have Madhavi also getting it correct. So guys, the answer is option D, which is 7. Shakti is also correct. Good job guys. Brilliant. So the answer is 7. So Madhavi did it by substituting values. Kirito did it by substituting values. Okay. So that is also good. That is actually smart work. So what Kirito did was, Kirito put n as 1. So it will be 2 power 3 minus 1, which is 7. N as 2. You will get 2 power 6 minus 1, which is 63. Both of these are divisible by 7. So obviously answer has to be D. This is called smart work and I do love it. That is amazing. Okay. Smart work is always good. It is always good. Okay. Yes, Bilal Dar. Absolutely. In this class, a lot of Sauravs are there. Yes, man. Okay. Now, obviously, I'm not going to teach you only the shortcut method. I will teach you the right way also. So, guys, 2 power 3n minus 1. Can I write it as 8 to the power n minus 1? Do you all agree? Because 2 power 3, I can write it as 8. Can I write it as 8? Are you all clear with that? Everybody? So, now what I'll do is, I will write the 8 as 1 plus 7 whole to the power n minus 1. Got it? Now don't you agree this is exactly what I taught you before? 1 plus x power n minus 1 is divisible by x. That's it. Use the property. Amazing, na? That is exactly what I want. You learn, you apply. You learn, you apply. That is a trick which works the best in maths. You have to learn methods. You need to apply it in questions, guys. You need to think of how to apply it. This is actually also a short method. This is also a short method. I hope you guys liked it. So with that, let's move forward. Shall we move forward? Exactly, Suhas, you're right. Very good, very good. Brilliant, Satyam. That's great, man. So now the next question for you guys. Again, application now. Now we are getting started with questions, guys. Everybody try to solve it. So I want you to find the last 3 digits of 11 to the power 50. Do you guys know how to solve it? Do you guys know how to solve it? Think about it. I want you to tell me. Okay. I want you guys to tell me the last 3 digits of 11 to the power 50. It's a good question. Think about it and try to solve it. After you guys are done trying, I will help you out and I will solve it from scratch. Okay? Exactly, Satyam. Satyam, you are absolutely right. I'm so happy that you are catching up so fast. Aishwarya Gandhi is absolutely right. Brilliant, Aishwarya. That is the way to do it. Kirito, no Kirito, it will not end with 0. Think about it. Diya is right. Absolutely. Diya has got the right answer. Aishwarya told the correct method. So good job, guys. Amazing. Kirito, it cannot end with 0, na? Think about it. Madhavi is also right. Valmik, you have to check it, Valmik. Suhas is always right. Very good. Sai Bhargav is right. Ashwini is also right. Very good job, guys. Mohammed, it is the reverse. It is 001. Okay. Banu Prakash is right. Very good, guys. Payal is also right. Very good, Payal. Brilliant job. That is so nice. You guys are all catching up really quick. Amazing work, guys. That is amazing. So now I'm going to teach you the way to do it. Listen carefully and get benefited, guys. Okay. So 11 power 50, I'm going to write it as 1 plus 10 to the power 50. Are you all okay with that? Or I can write it as 10 plus 1 power 50. So that is very easy to understand. I'm sure everybody has got it. Now when I expand it, I will get 1 plus 50C1 into 1 to the power 49 into 10 to the power 1. Then the next term will be 50C2, 1 to the power 48, 10 to the power 2. And after that, everything will have 1000. After that, every term will have 1000. Do you agree? Because you see the powers of 10. It is increasing. 1, 2, next will be 3, then 4, then 5. It will go all the way up to 50. So everything will have 1000. So when it has 1000, there's no point in calculating it. Because whatever number you have into 1000, the last 3 digits will be 0, 0, 0. So that doesn't matter. So I need to focus on the first 3 terms only. That is the logic behind this question. That is the logic behind this question. So you need to focus only on the first 3 terms, because after that, every term will have a factor of 1000, and when you have a factor of 1000, the last 3 digits will always be 0. So just calculate the first 3 terms. What is that? 1 plus 50C1 is 50 into 10 plus 50C2. Can you guys do that? 100 into 50C2. What is 50C2? So 50C2 will be what? 49 into 50 by 2. So that should be 49 into 25. Can you guys please do that? Everybody? Yes? Any idea? So I think it should be 4,900 by 4, if I'm not wrong. So 4,900 by 4 is 1225. Okay, so that is how you do it. So calculate it. You will have 122500, then 500, then 1. So if I add everything, I'll get 001 as the last 3 digits, which is my answer. Over. Did you guys like it? Brilliant. Are you guys clear with it? Amazing question, na? Yes, Aditi, I'll briefly explain it again. So guys, I wrote 11 as 1 plus 10 power 50. I wrote 11 as 1 plus 10 to the power 50. Got it? Then I expanded this, Aditi. Expansion of this is what? Expansion of this is, first term is 50C0, 1 power 50, 10 power 0. That is only 1. The next term will be 50C1, 1 power 49, 10 power 1. The next term will be 50C2, 1 power 48, 10 power 2, and it keeps going like that. Understood, everybody? Now, the third term onwards, right? That is 50C3, 1 power 47, 10 power 3. Everything will have a factor of 1000. You just expand it and see. This term, the next term is what? 50C3, 1 power 47, 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 is 1000. Nah? So when you have 1000, as a factor, whatever I multiply with, the last 3 digits are going to be 0, 0, 0. So that is why I don't worry about anything that comes after this. Are you clear, Aditi? Are you clear, Shreya? So this is the very important step. This is the most important step in this question. Shreya, I hope you are following it. So what I basically want is, Aditi, I just want to focus on the first 3 terms. So first 3 terms, I just calculated it. and then I found out the value. I just added it up. And I got the answer. When you add these three, you will get the last three digits as 001. So here you will have a very big number followed by 001, plus you will have again a very big number with the last three digits as 000. So when I add these two, the last three digits will be 001. That is why it's the answer. Hi Ryan, welcome man. 100 if you take common, only last two digits are 0 now, Banu. But we want last three, right? So I should take 1000 common. Got it? Very, very good. So guys, with that, let's move forward to the next one. So next question, the solutions are all attached, so don't worry. This is a good question. This is a JEE main level question. I hope everybody can see it. And you know what? Take some time. Take some time. Exactly, Banu. You are right, Banu. Hi, Archana. Welcome. So glad to have you here. No problem. You guys are all on time for the problem solving. So try to do this question, everybody. I'm gonna give you guys exactly 1 minute time. Kushal, we have a lot of questions to cover, Kushal. So I will recommend you to watch the replay. That would be better. Or else you can message me in my Instagram account. I have given you my Instagram ID at the beginning. If you message, I always respond to everybody. Okay, Kushal. Okay, cool, man. Thank you. Great, 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 great. So yeah, my Instagram handle is in the chat. You guys can probably click on it and you can ask me doubts if you want, if you have any. Sir, write that question. Okay, Matthew, I'll write it down. So Matthew, they're asking you to find out the coefficient of x power 5 in 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x square whole power 5. This is a good question. This is, in my opinion, a good question for the JEE mains level. Okay, so you guys have to be ready for this. So let me see how many of you are able to crack it. Let me see how many of you are able to crack it. So everybody note down your answers, because I am going to reveal the answer after you are all done solving. After I complete solving only, I am going to reveal the answer. So let's get started. So shall we get started, guys? Are you all ready? Because I see many answers. I see 60, I see minus 60, I see some 50s also. So we don't know what is correct. But majority seems to go for this. I don't know. You might be right, you might be wrong. So let's see how to do it. So what I'll do is, I will expand this, guys. How do I expand that? So do you all agree it is 4c0 x power 0 plus 4c1 x power 1 plus 4c2 x power 2 plus 4c3 x power 3 plus 4c4 x power 4. Do you all agree? This is the first expansion, 1 plus x whole power 4. Yes? Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Brilliant, brilliant job, guys. Amazing. So now 1 plus x square whole power 5. How do we do that? So can I say 1 plus x power 2 whole power 5? I can write that as 5c0 x power 0 plus 5c1 x square plus 5c2 x power 4 plus 5c3 x power 6 plus 5c4 x power 8 plus 5c5 x power 10. Are you guys clear with that? Yes? Now, can you guys tell me what product will give me x power 5? What product will give me x power 5? If I take this, can I multiply this with any term over there to get x power 5? Can I take this term and multiply with something there to get x power 5? Yes or no? Can I take this term alone, multiply with anything over there to get x power 5? No. No. Because this is x power 0. There I don't have x power 5. So it is not possible. But next term, if I take x power 1, I can club it with this. I can club this term with this one. So what is the term? 4c1 into 5c2 will give me x power 5. Amazing. Then 2, I have to have 3 there. There is no 3 here, so this also no. But 3 can combine with your 2 over here. So I can say this and this is possible. So next will be 4c3 into 5c1 x power 5. Then the last term, no, because x power 4 is here. I want x power 1. X power 1 is not here. That's it. This is my answer. Brilliant, na? So it is 4 into 10. 4 into 10 because 5c2 is 10, guys. 5c2 is 10. 4c1 is 4. Plus 4c3 is again 4. 5c1 is again going to be 5. So that is going to be 40 plus 20, which is 60. So you guys are smart. You guys are all absolutely right. Did you all like this question? Why to make x power 5? Because Aditi, look at the question. Coefficient of x power 5. That is what we are supposed to find, na? That is what we are supposed to find. Very good, Venkatesh. Very good, guys. I'm so happy that everybody has understood it. So with that, shall I move forward? Very good, Ashwini. Brilliant job. Superb, superb. Is this of mains level? Yes, yes. And you know what, Misha Bharti? Such questions have been asked in advanced level also. And I'll show you the proof. Okay, maybe I'll get you guys the question. Such questions have been asked in advanced level also. Hi Atlaf, welcome man. Altaf. Nikhil Rajpurohit, very good man. I'm happy that you guys are all enjoying. So let's move forward. This is a very typical question in again the JEE Mains level. Everybody try to solve it and let me know what is the answer for this. After binomial theorem, we will do functions because a lot of people were asking me to start calculus. So I will mostly start functions, limits, continuity and so on. Hi Altaf, welcome man. Yes Niaz, I'm doing great. PNC next week Aditi. So like Shreyas sir has already told, there will be 2-3 days for 11th standard and 2-3 days for your 12th standard. Got it? So Valmik says A, Banu says B, Venkatesh says A, then we have others. Yes, Misha. Satyam, this is the last lecture. Dia says 55, Aditi says A, Sonu says B. So let us see who is correct. So many people are saying so many options. Okay, very good. Olivia says R is 6. Oh, very good. Wazim sir's neighbor, that is amazing, man. So you can learn chemistry very well. Sonu, yes guys, very good Olivia. So guys, the answer is option C. So Dia, Olivia and Sonu. And then Matthew. And then we have Misha, Ashwini. You guys are all absolutely right. Very, very good job guys. Good work. So let's try to solve it. Okay. Guys, the answer is 55. I will tell you how to do it. Listen very carefully. So can I take the 3 consecutive terms as TR, TR plus 1 and TR plus 2? Do you all agree with me on that? Are you all okay with that? Yes? Oh, that is B. Okay, okay. I'm sorry guys. So 55 is correct. The answer was supposed to be option B. So usually I am used to A, B, C, D. But this is like the Menti quiz format. In Menti quiz, it is A, B, C, D. I have to get used to it. But don't worry, the answer is 55. Got it? The answer is 55. So let's see how to do it. Can I take the 3 consecutive terms like this? Now, the coefficients of these terms, don't you think the coefficient of this will be NCR minus 1? The coefficient of this will be NCR and the coefficient of this will be NCR plus 1. Do you all agree with me on that? Very easy, simple stuff. Are you guys okay with that? Everybody? Because we are having 1 plus x power n, na? 1 plus x power n coefficient is nothing but the binomial coefficient. There is no other coefficient. Got it? So now the ratio of these two is 1:7. So can I say NCR minus 1 by NCR is equal to 1:7? And I can also say that the coefficient of TR plus 1 and TR plus 2 is 7:42. So I can say NCR by NCR plus 1 is equal to 7/42. That's it. Solve these two equations, you will get your answer. And I've given you direct formulas for this. What is this going to be? This is going to be n minus r plus 1 by r is equal to 1/7. And what will this one be? This will be n minus r by r plus 1 is equal to 7/42. So solve these two, get the answer, and you are right. Done. 1, 6. So you'll get 6r plus 6 is equal to n minus r. So you will get n is equal to 7r plus 6. And what do I get from that? 7r is equal to n minus r plus 1. So you will get 6. You will get 8r is equal to n plus 1. So you have two equations. Can you just solve it and get the value, guys? Everybody? Yes, Banu, please tell me. Did you get answer as 55? Then you are absolutely right. Are you guys clear with it? Can you complete it, everybody? Very simple question. Very simple question. Are you able to understand it? Yes? Brilliant. You will get r to be 7. When you solve by my method, you will get r to be 7, n equal to 55. Just substitute these values and check it. You will get it to be right. Okay? Brilliant. So let's move forward quickly. We have lots of good questions to cover. So let us proceed to the next one. Over here, please do it, guys, all of you. Okay. So the sum of 6th and 7th term of the expansion a minus b power n. So guys, that is a minus b whole power n is 0. Then what is the value of a by b? Laddu question. Don't do anything wrong. Try to get it correct. Hi Prajwal. Welcome, man. Niyaz. Yes, tell me. Vadivelu is great. Why do you like Vadivelu so much, man? So guys, everybody please try to solve it. Come on, quickly. Any answers? Yes, Diya, I am from Chennai. I have been in Chennai for almost 22, 23 years. Right now, I was working in Bangalore because Vedantu is in Bangalore. But now again, I am back to Chennai. Very good, Archana. Great. Many of you are from Chennai. Great. That is awesome. Prajwal, Menti, we will have it on Tuesday morning. Okay. And physics Menti quiz will happen tomorrow. Physics Menti quiz will happen tomorrow. Maths Tuesday morning and chemistry Saturday morning. Yes, Niyaz, I know. So guys, let's try to solve this. Okay, please listen carefully. So do you all agree T6 plus T7 is equal to 0? Do you all understand that? Everybody gets this? Everybody gets this? Yes? Now, what is T6? Can I say T6 is nothing but NC phi a to the power n minus phi minus b to the power phi plus T7 is NC6 a to the power n minus 6 b to the power 6 equal to 0. Do you all agree with me on that? Everybody? Are you all clear with it? Very simple. I just wrote what is T6. I just wrote what is T7. That's it. Now what I'll do guys, I want to get the ratio A by B. So first I will get rid of the minus sign. So can I say it is NC phi A to the power n minus phi minus B power phi. So this minus I will bring to the front. And plus you have NC6 A power n minus 6 B power 6 is equal to 0. So now take this term to the other side. So what do you have? NC6 A power n minus 6 B power 6 is equal to NC phi A power n minus phi B power phi. Okay. So now if I take these two terms to the other side, what will I get? I will get something like this. Don't you all agree? By A to the power n minus 6 B to the power 6. Are you all clear? Now when I solve this, what do I get? Can you please let me know in the chat? When I solve and simplify all of this, what will I get? Can you please let me know? B by A or A by B? Saurabh, you will get A by B. Banu is right. So NC6 is equal to NC phi times of A by B. So what is A by B? That is what we want to calculate. That will be NC6 by NC phi. Over. This is your answer. So what is NC6 by NC phi? NCR by NCR minus 1 is nothing but N minus R minus 1 divided by R. So N minus phi by 6, which is option C, that is the right answer. You see here, it is given as C. Madhavi, did you understand that? So that is why it is confusing. So now they have given A, B, C, D. So this is the right answer. I hope you guys got it. Exactly, Madhavi, you are right. Are you all clear with it? How I got the answer? What about Archana? What about Shreya? What about Prajwal? Everybody clear? Very good, guys. Brilliant, brilliant. Good job, Ashwini. Brilliant job. Okay, so let's move forward with that. Let us go forward to the next question. So the next question is right on your screen. A very similar one to the one which we did earlier, but uses a different property. I'm going to make sure that you guys are all clear with all the properties required. Okay. So this is very similar to what we did before, but not the same property. So try to think in different ways. Try to think in different ways. Okay. I will show you a very, very cool way of doing this. You will be surprised. You will be surprised. But first, you guys try it out. If you're not able to see the question, let me know. If you're not able to see the question, you guys can maybe let me know so that I can help you by making it clearer for you. I will write it down. Okay? Very good, very good. Not able to join Telegram. Why is that? Dia, usually Geo network, it is not possible to join sometimes. So try it with a different network. Maybe Airtel, maybe Vodafone or something like that. Okay. Madhavi says 10. Sonu says 10. Everybody says 10. So is it 10 which is the right answer? Vaibhav is also saying 10. What about others? I want everybody to participate. Prajwal says 10. Aditi says 10. Kirito, Ashwini. Very good job, guys. Amazing. So everybody is saying 10. So let's see whether you guys are right or whether you guys have gone wrong. So please let me know. What is the formula or what is the property that you guys used? Very good, Vedant. Exactly, Vaibhav. So guys, can I say n plus 1 CR plus 1 divided by NCR is equal to 11 by 6? And can I say NCR by n minus 1 CR minus 1 is equal to 6 by 3? Do you all agree with me on that? That is the first one. That is the first one. Now, I taught you this formula. Do you all remember this? Do you all remember this? Yes? Let me move aside. Prajwal, I'm going to show you something even simpler than that. Even simpler than that. Do you all remember what I wrote on the left hand side? Yes, I gave it to you in the class yesterday. So now what I can do is I can write this as n plus 1 by r plus 1, the numerator, into NCR divided by NCR, laddu. Same way, here I can write the numerator as n by r times of n minus 1 cr minus 1 divided by n minus 1 cr minus 1, which is equal to 2. So I will get n is equal to 2r. Same, I can put it over here. So I will get n is equal to 2r. So that means n plus 1 by r plus 1, I can write it as n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 11 by 6. So I will get 2n plus 1 by n plus 2 is equal to 11 by 6. So solve it, get the value of n. Okay? So your n will come out to be how much, guys? Any idea? Your n will come out to be 10. Your n will come out to be 10. Because you put 10 and see, it will be satisfying. Very simple. Look at how easy it was because of one single property. What was that property? The property is given over here. This is the property which you have to remember. If you knew this, it was a laddu question. Are you all clear? So shall I move forward, guys? Everybody? Very good, Ashwini. Superb, superb. So let us proceed, guys. Let's go to the next one, which is right on your screen. This is a very easy question. Because I have already solved it, you guys must be very well aware of it. The answer is, please tell me, come on. You should be quick. Exactly, it's 7. Actually, 49 is also correct. 49 would have been a good question. Because 2 power 3n is nothing but 1 plus 7 whole power n minus 7n minus 1. So this is similar to 1 plus x power n minus nx minus 1. So this is divisible by x square. So this will be divisible by 7 square, which is 49. So if it is divisible by 49, then obviously it is divisible by 7. Are you guys clear? I just taught you this result today, right? Those who attended my session today, I've just taught you this some 15-20 minutes back, isn't it? So yeah, with that, let's move forward to the next one. So this one is again a very simple question. Please do it. Very simple question to again explain to you guys how to calculate the sum of coefficients. Whenever sum of coefficients is asked, I asked you to do something. What is that? Whenever sum of coefficient is asked, I asked you to do something. What is that? Remember, think about it. Try to bring it to mind. Very good, Kirito. Whenever sum of coefficient is asked, just substitute x equal to 1. Just substitute x equal to 1. Because when you put x equal to 1, whatever you get is nothing but the sum of coefficients. So I'll put 1 plus 1, this will be minus 3 whole power 4. So 1 plus 1 minus 3 is minus 1 whole power 4, which is equal to 1. So that is why option C is correct. That is the way you do it. Okay, so don't forget this. A very good strategy. Sum of coefficients means put x equal to 1. Or put the variables equal to 1. If you have one more variable, put that variable also equal to 1. Are you all clear with it? So this is the way to do it. And if you guys have any queries or questions, let me know. Else we will proceed to the next one. Okay, now this is a good one. This is something which you can get in your JEE Mains. Please do try it out. Everybody, I will give you some time. Okay, I will give you some time. Yes, Madhavi, that is correct. The previous one was option C. Now we have moved on to the next question. So guys, everybody try it out and tell me what do you think is the answer. But take some time. It's okay. This is a good question. I'm telling you myself. So spend some time because this can come in your JEE Mains. You should be ready for such questions. Okay. Question is not clear, huh? Okay. So I will read it out, Saurav. Listen carefully. the middle term of the expansion x by 2 plus 2 whole power 8 is 1120. Then find the sum of the real values of x for which this is possible. That's the question. Find the real values of x sum for which this is possible. Very good, Misha Bharti. Very, very good. You got the approach correct. Now try to solve it. Sonu says B, Banu says B, Aditi is also saying B. Let's check it. But first you guys try it out. Everybody please try it. This is a good question. So when I say good question, try to do it. Archana, yes, you have to write the general term. But what they have given, Archana, they have said middle term, na? So I will tell you the strategy. So you see the power 8, Archana. So when you have power as 8, how many terms will be there in binomial expansion? There will be totally 9 terms. Isn't it? Whenever you have an expansion, let us say x plus y power n, this will have n plus 1 terms. This will have n plus 1 terms. Isn't that right? So when you have n plus 1 terms, here it is going to be 9 terms. When you have 9 terms, the middle term is 5th term. Absolutely right, Archana. That's it. So equate the 5th term to be equal to 1120. Okay. Equate the 5th term to be equal to 1120 and then that will give you the answer. I hope you guys are all clear with it. That's about it. Okay. Please do it, guys. Everybody. What happened? No man, I pulled my camera's wire. So you have mics, right? So the mic wire was there, I pulled it by mistake, yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's try to solve it, guys. The answer is, nobody has got it correct until now. Nobody. Okay. Nobody has got it right until now. Srinivas Reddy is right because the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay. Shreya, very good Shreya. Saurabh, Ashwini, you have to check it, Ashwini. The answer is 0. Vaibhav has given me the explanation also. Vaibhav, very good Vaibhav. Madhavi, Sonu, Suhas, everybody correct. Ritu is right. Very good Ritu. So yeah, let's try to solve it. So do you all understand? T5 is middle term. Do you all understand? T5 is the middle term. How many of you understood that? Everybody clear with that? Because when you have x plus y power n, it has n plus 1 terms. So this will have 9 terms. When you have 9 terms, the middle term is your 5th term. When you have 9 terms, the middle is the 5th term, right? So that is what I wrote. So T5 is nothing but T4 plus 1, which is equal to 8C4 into x by 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. That is equal to 1120. Okay. So what is 8C4? 8C4 is 8 factorial by 4 factorial, 4 factorial into x power 4 by 2 power 4 and into 2 power 4 will get cancelled. That is equal to 1120. So this will be what? 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Then I can cancel this again. This will be 2. So I'll get 14 into 5, which will be 70. So x power 4 is equal to 1120 by 70. So 0, 0 cancel. 7 will go 16 times. So x power 4 is equal to 16. So x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So these are the real values of x. So sum of the real values is plus 2 plus minus 2. So the sum is 0. Over. Very good, Misha Bharti, Satyam, absolutely right. Very good, very good. Good job, good job. Okay, Diya, I am not sure. Is your internet speed good? I think it should be, give it some time, it will load and maybe it will take you to the page. Okay. So guys, everybody clear? Shall we move forward? So let us proceed to the next question. Please do it again, a very nice one. You should be able to get it. Okay, Kirito. Kirito, I asked the sum. So that is why it is 0. Okay. Good job. Don't worry. If you have got it as +2 -2, I am very happy. That shows that you have solved it until the end. So others, guys, are you all able to solve it? Please do this question. This is again a very good question. What is the power of 2? It is given as 2 to the power 4n. It is 2 to the power 4n. Okay. Divided by 15. 2 to the power 4n divided by 15. Sri Lakshmi, calculus will start from tomorrow. From tomorrow we will start functions, then go to limits, then continuity, then derivatives, then application of derivatives and so on. So definitely please try to attend and be a part of these wonderful classes. Matthew, the question is not clear or you're not getting the question? Very good, Kirito. Very good, Ritu. Yup. Abhishek, this is for both 21 and 22. But for 22, it might be a bit fast. That's it. Okay. So what I'll do is 2 power 4n. Can I write it as 16 power n? Can I write 2 power 4n as 16 power n? And I have to divide by 15. So I'll divide by 15, Archana. Are you okay with that? Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek, don't worry, man. After January, I will do all these chapters again in a very slow manner so that everybody can understand, okay? Right now, I just want the 12th standard guys to be benefited because they have their exams coming up. That is why. Substitute n equal to 1. Very smart, man. Okay. Yes, you can substitute, guys, but I am not going to teach you that. I am not going to teach you those methods. I am going to teach you the right way to do it. So please listen carefully. Now that will be what? 1 plus 15 power n is nothing but 1 plus n into 15 plus nc 2 into 15 square and so on till ncn 15 power n divided by 15. So when I do that, do you all agree it will be 1 by 15 plus some integer? It will be 1 by 15 plus some integer. So what is the fractional part? The fractional part is 1 by 15. So please understand, guys, fractional part means leaving aside the integer, whatever is left out. Got it? Very good, no? This is a very nice question. I hope you guys got it. So you can also substitute, that is also fine. Definitely Abhishek, for sure. Everybody clear with it, guys? So shall we move forward? Yes? Yes, Banu, A is absolutely right. Okay, cool, guys. So let's proceed. Now moving on. This is a very common question in JEE Mains. Very common. Pretty well, this is for 11th standard binomial theorem revision going on for JEE Mains. Okay. So guys, please try to note down the question. I'll write down the expression. It is root x minus k by x square whole to the power 10. Got it? So try to do that. Can you suggest a book for JEE Maths? I have already told it in a separate video. Abhishek, I always suggest Cengage. So my students also are knowing it. Suhas. Exactly. So Cengage is what I recommend, but you are free to use whatever you want, but stick to one book is what I would always say. Stick to one book. Okay. So are you all done? When I say term independent of x, that means the power of x in that term is 0. When I say term independent of x, the power of x in that term is 0. Okay. So try to think on those lines. So Banu, they are saying the term independent of x is 405. Then what is the value of k? Okay. So first you need to figure out which term is independent of x and then find out what is k. Okay? Very good, very good. Abhishek, either one man, whatever you feel comfortable with. If you think coaching material is helping you, you can do that. If you feel Cengage is better, you can do that. Whatever works best for you, but do one book completely. That is what I would always suggest. Don't do here and there. Here and there is always bad. So guys, first of all, I would recommend you to write the general term. What is the general term? General term is 10CR into root x to the power 10 minus r into minus k by x square whole power r. Now what I'll do is, I will simplify it first. I will write it as x to the power 10 minus r by 2. Why x to the power 10 minus r by 2? Because root is power half, right? And then here you have minus k power r divided by x to the power 2r. Now collect the powers of x alone separately. Collect the powers of x alone. So what is the powers of x alone? Do you guys agree it is 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r? So now that should be equal to x power 0. Why? Because we want term independent of x. So when you do that, you will get r to be how much? Can you guys check it? You will get r to be 2, na? I think you will get r to be 2 if I'm not wrong. So if you get r to be 2, then put it back inside and then compare it. So if you get r to be 2, then T3 is the term independent of x. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it? So if T3 is the term independent of x, then how do we do it? So T3 is T2 plus 1, which will be 10C2. You will get root x to the power 8 minus k by x square to the power 2. So that will be 10C2, which is 45 into x to the power 4 into k square by x to the power 4 is equal to 405. So you will get k square equal to 9. So k is plus or minus 3. That is the way to do it. I hope you guys got it. Suhas is absolutely right. Uncharted, many of you are able to get it correct. You guys are awesome, man. Brilliant, brilliant. Banu, r is equal to 2, Banu. R is equal to 2. Okay? So guys, I hope everybody is clear with it. Aditi, what I did first was, I wrote the general term, Aditi, and in the general term, I collected the powers of x separately and I equated to x power 0. Why do I do that? Because they said we have to find the term independent of x. So independent of x means x is not there. That means x power 0, right? So I collect the powers of x and equate it to x power 0. I get what is r. So once I get r, I know which term is independent of x. And after I get the term independent of x, I know it is equal to 405. So use that information and get the value of k. Got it? So that is how we do it. I hope you guys are all fine. So guys, with that we will conclude. You guys can maybe take a note of the sprint series which is going to take place tomorrow. Tomorrow you have physics masterclass with Shimon Sir. So he is the physics expert in this channel. It will be an amazing, super duper mentee session. So definitely mark your calendars and be there at 11 AM tomorrow morning. And with that, your pro subscription, your crash course, everything is available to you in the description. Just click on it, use the coupon code which I have shared here, and you should be good to go. Okay? Yes. Definitely, Suez, I will let you know the dates for it. Mentee time tomorrow is 11 AM for physics. And guys, this is the coupon code for joining the courses at Vedantu, the pro subscription. This is the Telegram group. And finally, The most important slide, guys, you have to like it and share it with your friends. Please do that so that we can have a larger crowd, a bigger audience and better questions. Because I told you guys, it encourages teachers whenever new students are there. Today, so many new students were there. So I loved the participation. So Archana was here, new. And we have many students who are new. Shreya. And then we had Aishwarya Gandhi. We have Sahil, right? Amazing, guys. I hope to see all of you again in the next class. Till then, keep working hard, do well in life, stay excited and stay safe. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. See you.